Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create one or more groups from the equipment you have installed. For example, I'll show you how to create a group to control all of your bedroom shutters at the same time. How do you do it? It's very simple. First of all, go into the Equipments menu and press the plus button in the top right. Caution: your group must contain the same type of equipment. Shutters, blinds, lights and so on. Once you have chosen the type of group, select the equipment to be included. For example, guest room, parent room and child room. Then press the Test and Rename button. Test the operation using the 3 command keys: up, intermediate position or down. Once you have checked the equipment, remember to rename your group by clicking on the pencil in the top right. Bedroom Roller Shutter Group. Then finish simply by clicking on the Validate button. From now on, you will find the group you created in the Equipment screen. You may access its controls at any time by clicking on its icon. You may control your group from this screen using the 3 command keys. Of course, you can rename it with the pencil, reconfigure it, or even delete it with the bin. Congratulations! You are now ready to create groups to suit your lifestyle or meet your needs. Have a look at the other tutorials and information on the dedicated site.